Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson for Science 3, Quarter 4, Week 3, Day 1. Our topic for today is identifying different types of environment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. For the basis of our lesson, here are the content standard, performance standard, learning competencies, and learning objectives. Activating prior knowledge. Good morning, class. Put on your thinking caps and get ready to explore. Today, we're going to observe, experiment, and discover how the world works. Test your knowledge on how we use materials from the earth. Number 1. Which material is used for electrical wires? Because it lets electricity flow. Is it A, clay, B, copper, or C, wood? The answer is letter B. Number 2. Why do we use minerals like diamonds or quartz for cutting tools? A. They are very soft. B. They are very hard. C. They are colorful. The answer is letter B. Number 3. Which property makes clay good for making pots and bricks? A. It is transparent. B. It can absorb water. Or C. It is a metal. The answer is letter B. What places have you visited during vacation or school break? The expected answers include the following. I went to the beach. I went to the farm. What are the things you saw in the places that you visited? Here are the expected answers. I saw sand and shells. I saw plants and trees. Lesson purpose intention. In this lesson, you will describe the things you see in different environments. Lesson language practice. Environment refers to everything around us. It includes the air we breathe, the water we drink, the plants, animals, and people we see, as well as the land, trees, and buildings. Reading the key idea stem. Let's explore the environment. The world around us has many different types of environments. You may have visited some of them before. In this lesson, you will learn to describe these environments and the things you can see in them. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Look at the drawings below. For Table 1, things I see in the environment. We have Amaya, a wild pig, insect like butterfly, mango tree, other plants, rocks, soil, sand, and river. For the next drawing, we have frog, plant, rocks, soil, sand, pebbles, river. And for the next illustration, we have jellyfish, coconut trees, sand, rocks, pebbles, sea water. Questions. Number 1. What do you see in each environment? Number 2. What are the things that you see in one environment that are not found in another? And number 3. What is the name of the environment shown in each drawing? Here are the expected answer for each questions. For number 1, what do you see in each environment? Drawing A, a forest garden with a bird, wild pig, butterfly, mango tree, rocks, and a river. For drawing B, a freshwater pond with a frog, water plants, pebbles, sand, and flowing water. For letter C, a coastal marine scene with jellyfish, coconut trees, sand, pebbles, and sea water. What are the things that you see in the environment that are not found in another? Specific animals, you only see the wild pig in the forest, A, and jellyfish in the seawaters, C. Specific plants, we have mango trees are in the garden, A, where coconut trees are on the coast, C. For water type, drawing C has salty seawater, whereas A and B have fresh water, which are rivers and ponds. What is the name of the environment shown in each drawing? For drawing A, we called it terrestrial, forest, garden, or environment. Drawing B, we have fresh water, and for drawing C, we have marine environment. Deepening understanding of the key ideas STEM. Number 1. 3 types of environment. Number 1. A mountain environment is a place that is high above the ground. Mountains often have steep sides, rocks, and trees. In our country, it can get very cold at the top of mountains, especially in December, January, and February. People love to visit mountains for fun activities like hiking, climbing, and enjoying nature. Here is an example illustration of a mountain environment. Number 2. A river environment is a place where a river flows through the land. You can see trees, plants, rocks, and animals like fish, frogs, and birds around the river. The water in the river moves and it can be deep or shallow. Sometimes, people visit rivers to go fishing, ride boats, or have picnics. Here is the example of a river environment. Number 3. A beach environment is a place next to the sea or ocean. It usually has a lot of sand or pebbles. At the beach, there are seashells, palm trees, and birds. You might also see crabs, starfish, and seaweed. There are corals, jellyfish, and even sharks. Fun things to do at the beach include swimming, making sand castles, and picking up shells. Here are the examples of beach environment. Making generalization and abstractions. Things that can be found in each of the environments. A mountain environment is a place that is high above the ground. Mountains often have steep sides, rocks, and trees. A river environment is a place where a river flows through the land. A beach environment is a place next to the sea or ocean. It usually has a lot of sand or pebbles. Fresh water is the water that you can find in rivers, lakes, and ponds. People can drink fresh water after it is cleaned. Seawater is water from the sea or ocean and it is salty. People cannot drink seawater because of the salt. Good day, grade 3 learn. Evaluating learning. Read each item carefully. Write the letter of the best answer in your notebook. Number 1. Which of these can only be found normally in a mountain environment? A. A place with lots of rocks. B. Trees that are tall and short. C. A high land with steep sides. Or D. Water that flows over the ground. Number 2. Which is not found normally in a river environment? A. Frog. B. Plants. C. Starfish. D. Flowing water. Number 3. Which of these cannot be found normally in a beach environment? A. Big rocks, B. Tall trees, C. Fresh water, or D. Flying birds. Number 4. Which of these can be found normally on the beach but not in a mountain environment? A. Corals, B. Sand, C. Crabs, or D. Grass. Number 5. Which of these can be found normally in river and mountain environments? A. Soil, B. Sharks, C. Jellyfish, or D. Seaweed. The answers are, for number 1, letter C, number 2, letter C, number 3, letter C, number 4, letter A, and number 5, letter A. Remediation. What other environment can you name? What would you see there? Here are the potential example answers. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. Always remember to read and think. See you next time.